Henry. You're probably curious to know what's going on.
Yeah, probably nothing is going on.
At least there, you know, he doesn't have a day that he has to get out of there right now. You know?
Yeah.
Is that supposed to be in April?
Yeah, in April. Actually, I'm recording something for Mango now. So he's playing with his rings now. I have the camcorder and the camera ready. Oh, he just knocked it
away
out.
when he sees the camera?
No, he was born with a camera in his face, I would say, as soon as we came home.
Oh.
We took him home. Christopher has his camera.
Put the camera near him, he gets quiet. He has to sneak the camera.
Well, he's still in action.
He has to sneak it because it's too quiet. And
yeah, Mango playing with his rings. Yeah, he has. Actually, he's holding. Well, he was holding two in one feet, but now he's not. He's just knocking the peg around, and then he's spreading his wings. I think he really enjoys this.
Oh, that's great. You bought that in the dollar store. That's good, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
You buy stuff in the pet store. They are expensive.
Yeah.